So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here is a very big update coming related to JEE Mains 2022 July attempt admit card, as you all are waiting for the admit card. Link has been updated on the website of NTA, not on the JEE Mains website, but very soon it will be provided on JEE Mains website. And once the notification will be released by the NTA on the JEE Mains website, then you will able to download your admit card. There will be multiple link available on the official website only, that is JEE Mains website, not the NTA result website, because they have now generated the link but it is not working as of now. You can check. I will provide you the link also in the description box. So as of now the update is that very soon you will able to download the admit card, and once it will be available to download, I will try to inform you as soon as possible in the same channel. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will be getting all the update at the right time. So this concludes that the postponement of July attempt is not going to happen, and also it opens the possibility of session 3 of JEE Mains examination, but it is not sure as of now, but it can be, because admission can be done up to November and December also. So there may be another attempt, because although the student who have got less percentile even after scoring more marks, that is the student got injustice in the first attempt of JEE Mains examination, those students should get the justice and those students should get fresh JEE Mains session to score more marks, because I don't think within 10 days the student will able to rectify their mistakes, because this type of situation was there last year also. So I don't think most of the student will able to improve, because only 10 days I don't think more improvement will be there. So the update is that the link has been activated, so very soon you will able to download the admit card, and once it will be available, I will be providing you the update about that. I think they will provide you the examination CT as well as the date of examination first, similar to last attempt of the examination, that is June attempt, and on later days they will provide you the original admit card that you need to carry for the examination. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe so that you will get all the update at the right time. Thanks.